In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add upload button in Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean clickable button labeled upload and know exactly where to point it so visitors can take the action you want. Start by opening Wix Studio and signing into your account. From there, head to your site's dashboard. This is your central control panel where you manage pages, settings, and apps. On the dashboard, select Edit Site to launch the site editor. Give it a moment to load. You'll see your canvas on the right and a set of tools on the left. In the editor, open the Add Elements panel. This is where you can insert everything from text and images to interactive items. Choose buttons. You'll see a variety of styles and layouts, from minimal text buttons to more decorative designs. Pick any layout that fits your brand and the prominence you want for the upload action. A simple, high contrast style often works best for clarity. Click your chosen layout to place it on the page. You can drag it into position and resize it as needed so it aligns well with nearby content. Next, customize the label. Select the button, edit the text, and type upload. Clear, action-oriented text tells visitors exactly what will happen when they click. Click the button again to open its settings and set up the link behavior. This is the key part. Choose where the button should take people. You can link to a specific page on your site, a section on the current page, an external web address, or a document. If your goal is to collect files from visitors, a practical approach is to link this button to a page that contains a file upload element or a form with a file upload field. If instead you want visitors to access a file you're providing, choose a document in your media library so the button delivers that file. Pick the option that matches your intent, confirm the selection, and save. A few quick tips to polish this. Make sure the button stands out visually against the background, add hover and focus states for accessibility, and position it near related instructions so the purpose is obvious. Keep the label short and consistent. Upload works well. Finally, give it a quick test and preview to confirm the link opens the right destination and that the text reads clearly at different screen sizes. That's it. You've added an upload button in Wix, customized its look and label, and connected it to the destination that supports your workflow.